Lots happened this week. As expected, here's the Intense 5. Riri wasn't so coordinated on an electric scooter and took a fall. She has a few bruises, but she's okay. Thank God. Yeah, thank God she's alright.
The Kardashians have announced that after their show in early 2021, they won't be returning. You say you hear me? Yay?
I don't even watch them,
Yeah,
so...
same.
No, what does it mean?
I mean, I guess it's a good thing because they need to go and sort out them life.
File out. Everybody file out.
One by one.
We sadly said goodbye to an incredible musician and singer, Feluke. He was an incredible light to the music industry and will be missed. Sleep in peace, my brother.
Amari has left the building. Well, she's left Jamaica. And in a post on IG, she thanked all her fans. Even said that Spice tried to upstage her with the Inches song, but it never worked. I don't know, Amari. Do whatever makes you happy, girl.
And finally holding the spot this week, Popcorn says he's willing to bear the hatchet with Movado if it's for the culture. I wonder what the Gully God thinks. Like, will he say yay or nay?
Or nay.
I don't know. That's it for the Intense 5. Follow us on IG for the latest in entertainment news at TVJ Intense.